Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Cook with Srinidhi. In this video, I am sharing a recipe on dry fruit pancake and fruit pancake. So, if you like watching my videos, please hit like and subscribe to my channel. It encourages me to come up with more videos for you all. First, let's make the pancake batter. Now take a bowl and add 1 cup of wheat flour, 1 large spoon of rice flour, half spoon baking powder and 1/4 cup of sugar powder, and combine everything properly. Meanwhile, take 2 eggs and beat them finely. Then keep it aside. Next, add 150 ml or 1.5 cup of milk into the dry ingredients. After that, add the previously beaten eggs. Mix everything finely. Finally, add a half teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now our batter is ready to use. Next, chop some dry fruits like almonds, pista, cashew, dates and keep them ready. Now let the pan heat and then grease it with oil and then pour our batter. Next, top it with the chopped dry fruits. Cook until bubbles form on the top. Next, flip and cook on the other side. Cook until it turns brown in color and transfer it into a plate and serve it with date syrup or honey. In the same way, for a fruit pancake, pour the batter into the pan. And top it with thinly sliced apples. Cook until bubbles form on top and then flip and cook on the other side. Follow the same process. Finally, transfer it into a plate and top it with bananas, pomegranates, and grape juice or honey. You can use whatever you want. Finally, our healthy breakfast is ready. If you like watching my videos, please hit like and don't forget to share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thank you.